Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel to get updates on Microsoft Dynamics F&O. So today, yes, Visual Studio error. So what is a there are many ways that you'll get an error. So there are many ways to resolve it. So today I wanted to show you one concerned error when you install the virtual machine, that is admin user provisioning. For example, if I give my id in the admin user provisioning tool, so admin user provisioning tool, so sometimes you will get the error like the length. So related to the length you will get some error. So at that point of time, what you have to do, okay, that is the main point today. So the length is, it's the length issues, the length errors. So that is a common issue that you'll face in Microsoft Dynamics F&O. So the solution for this is you need to first go to the Azure portal, portal.azure.com, and log in with your on Microsoft account. Okay, so once you log in with the on Microsoft account, there is a option which is Azure service called as app registrations. So click on the app registrations and you have to create a new registration here. Okay, you need to create a new registrations. So just click on new registration and give the name for it. Okay, give the name, and you can select the accounts in this organizational directory only. Okay, select this, and after that, if you just let come little down, so you will find these options. So you can just select as a web and give your url, give your F&O url here, and click on register. Okay, click on register. So when you click on register, you will be able to get the app id. Okay, when you click on register, you'll get the app id. So copy that application id. Okay, copy that application id and come back to Visual Studio, this desktop page, and you have an option here, generate self sign in certificate. So just click on it. So when you click on this, it will be asking the enter the application id to continue. Just paste your application id which you have copied and hit the enter. Okay, when you hit the enter, it will ask some option. You can just select it as no, n, just you give n. That's it. Just allow the system for some time to you'll find some uh, commands here. Just allow it. Once it is completed, it will give a sign that it is completed. You can close it and again open the admin user provisioning tool, and same, you can just give your on Microsoft account here in the email address. Then you can able to submit it. You will be, I mean, that will be submitted successfully. Okay, so this is a common error in most of the cases when you install the virtual machine. Okay, so I hope this is really helpful for everyone. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.